Like, I literally live on 10th Ave. Like, this is where my apartment was. But it's like an organized mess. Like, I know where everything is. Or at least I like to think that I know where everything is. Huge stain in my bathroom. My room looks better. So I got this front entrance table. I don't like the color because it's like brown. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is the second official moving series packing vlog. If you haven't already watched the first one, I'll leave the link below, but go and watch it because this video will make way more sense. So it is August 5th. I am exhausted. My one camera for vlogging that I wanted to use is dead, so that's annoying. But I just came here today from my mom's house to finish my entire house. So my room is messy, but it is basically all packed. It's just kind of messy because when I was here for the 2 days, I kind of made a mess and left. Also, I'm just gonna do a quick disclaimer or whatever, a little advance, little notice. This camera sucks compared to my other. It keeps like focusing and then not focusing, and I don't know how to fix it, but yeah, I apologize in advance for that. And anyways, let's get into this video. I already unpacked everything in my cupboards and stuff. There's just a few things like above, and then this stuff that I need to pack. There's my sister, and then over here is just some boxes, and then this is going to the garbage. Actually, all this is like not mine or going to the garbage. I gave this to my friend, so I have to bring that to her. And then my sister's just organizing this mess because I got rid of my couch. I gave it to my sister, and then the coffee table wasn't mine, so everything just kind of got thrown around. So she's just organizing the games. And there is my little kitten, which I haven't done an introduction, but I will eventually. His name's Thunder, a little sneak peek of him. But yeah, my sister's just going through that, and this is all gonna get done. Over here, I just have a TV stand. That is my old one. I'm gonna get a new one. I think I'm gonna use this TV stand until I get a new one to save some money. These blankets. Over here is another little mess that just, like I said, it's like not a lot of like packing, more so it's garbage or a mess. And then this is like the front entrance way. It's basically empty. I just have some jackets and shoes down there that needs to be packed. And then guys, here is where it gets scary. So my roommate and I kind of just shoved our things in here. We didn't clean or anything. We were just shoving things in here to move it out of the way. And then in here is basically empty. That's just my roommate's stuff. She'll clean in here. This is like the guest room where my roommate stayed. She just has all her stuff that she's gonna come get, but it's basically empty. Bathroom has like just things that can be quickly thrown into a box, very easy. And then I have to like unscrew these. And then even on the back of the bathroom, I hung this up myself, so I have to take that down before I move. And this is just stuff I was already packing. And then beware guys, my room is so freaking scary. So my room isn't too bad, okay? Bear with me. It's just, it's there, and there's like a little stain there. I spilt noodles and I need to like steam clean my bed. There was so much stuff everywhere. Like I just was throwing stuff and I was getting flustered. It's not really that it needs much packing, it just needs more cleaning. Even with my closet, like it's basically packed. It's just a mess. I got my cameras over there and all that stuff, but it's like an organized mess. Like I know where everything is, or at least I like to think that I know where everything is. That is the status of my apartment right now. It's not a lot of work. It looks like a lot, but it's not. I feel like I'm gonna finish this today, or at least most of it, until I get really like bored. But we're gonna go and start in the living room and then work our way to my bedroom. My sister's here to help, thank God. I would literally die. And the other sucky thing is I don't have Wi-Fi, which first world problems, am I right? It kind of sucks not having Wi-Fi because I can't like play on my phone, and I also used all my data, so that sucks. And I have 10 gigs, so that's a lot to use. Let's clean and organize this nasty ass mess. Okay, I have a box here, and this is a tight space, so I'm working with like nowhere to move my camera. But this is the next spot I'm gonna tackle, so stay tuned. How? You can't even see me. How am I going to do that? You just see my boobs. Okay, plan of attack. I'm going to put things in, and that's the plan of attack. There's not a lot of space for me to record myself, but we're gonna work with it. These curtains are my mother's. I never used them, so I'm gonna return them. Pretty sure they're wrecked, but I don't know. Gonna sauce them past the camera. My mother bought me this. It's wrecked. Now time for my favorite Christmas tree. It's white. I've always wanted a white Christmas tree. I got one. I'm very happy. Into the box. This black carpet, you've probably seen in a lot of my vlogs. It's garbage now. I don't want it for my new house.
It's not the aesthetic, okay, guys?
My Christmas ornaments. Another part of the tree. This is not gonna fit. Okay guys, update, we did this. We just moved all the boxes and bags. Actually, my sister did this, I did not. She moved everything into one side and now she's just taking out all the garbage. There is a lot of it. Pretty much. I still have to do this. I got most of it out, but this is all junk to be honest. And there is this huge stain in my bathroom. I think it's because I was like lighting a candle or something and then this happened. I don't really know how it happened, but it's there. I have to take down the shower curtains. I took down this. And then there, like that green thing I obviously moved. But there's that stain, so I'm probably gonna lose some money for my damage deposit because I could not get it off. We took the desk out. We took the nightstands. There's just like my bed frame. I'm gonna finish my room on a different day. Probably not gonna vlog it. The place is getting emptier. There goes my sister bringing out the garbage. But this is all my keep stuff. Looks pretty organized. I'm just sitting here. That's why it's a bit of a mess here. And then literally all of this except for that chair and this box, even that is garbage. Like everything's garbage. And then my kitchen, everything in here is going, but I just had to organize and like there's garbage mixed in here. And yes, I apologize. The fan is probably crazy loud, but I'm so hot. And then there's a few things on the balcony. I'll show you guys. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear because outside is pretty loud, but I'll show you. This is where I live, guys, by the way. Like, I literally live on 10th Ave. Like, this is where my apartment was. I can finally show you guys because I'm moving. But yeah, I live on 10th Ave. But anyways, out here we just have, this needs to go to the garbage. This is all my roommate stuff. This I'm gonna be saucing because it's just really old and used. That is my mom's dog crate for my dog. So I have to empty that, throw everything out, and then that is going back to my mom. There's not a lot left to do, and I'm sorry I haven't been filming it all. It's just super hard to like vlog and pack at the same time. I should probably go back inside because the audio is probably horrible, but yeah, that's where we're at right now. But I'm gonna start finishing, so let's go. I ordered some DoorDash. My sister's too hungry to let me vlog my moment, but let's see what we got. So I just got a butter chicken poutine from New York Fries and some sort of hot dog with some extra butter chicken and sour cream and some Diet Coke. Okay, update guys, I actually look disgusting. I'm such a catfish. Like the last scene that you would have saw, I would look so freaking cute with my makeup and shit, and then reality, this is what I look like. I'm covered in acne, I'm stressed, and I'm like breaking out. But it's like 5 days later. It is like August 8th today. Tomorrow I get my keys. I haven't really finished the whole house. Like it's done, but it's not done. Like, you know what I mean? It's done, but it's not done. I was spray painting and I got like covered in spray paint. I don't know why I'm such an idiot. Here, I'll show you what I was doing and then how it happened. Because I'm sure y'all are like, how the f did you do that? So basically I have these old like bathroom things and they were chipping and I wanted to give them to my mom. So I have like this satin pink. So I just spray painted them, and then I have this vase over here. And then for all of it, I was like holding it. And then I was like, wait, why am I holding it? I'm getting covered in spray paint. And like with this one, I was like holding my hand and then it was like covered. And I don't think I'm that good of a spray painter. Do you see how there's like bubbles there? Right there. I'm like pretty sure I was supposed to like clean that or something. I don't know, but this is what I was doing. So I fixed these for my mom and now they look really good. Like, I don't know if it looks good on camera, but it looks so much better. Like, wow, it's so cute. Also, it is a very gloomy day. It was already raining today. And I will give you guys a little update on the house. This closet, basically empty. This is my roommate's stuff. Broom. This closet is empty, just needs to be completely cleaned. This closet's empty. There's like a bunch of damage on the wall. My roommate did that. I don't take credit for that, but she's gonna fix it. My room looks better. Like, it's a huge mess, but my closet is like completely empty. I just need to like put the hangers away. I'm gonna donate that and that. But yeah, that is everything in my house that's got going. I'm gonna finish it tomorrow, to be honest. I get the keys tomorrow. But I'm gonna come here, finish everything, or maybe even just do the move and then finish it after. Like, I need to take apart the bed tomorrow for sure. But then after that, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it, okay? This video is probably, again, super short because I'm not filming a lot. I'm just so stressed. I just wanna like focus on packing and not focus on vlogging. I will see you guys whenever I see you next. I don't know when that's gonna be, but yeah, see you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm at my mom's house. I'm gonna spray paint something, but I'm gonna vlog it. I am wearing the same shirt as before. It's just something I don't care if it gets wrecked. It's covered in shit and it's apparently really gross, but I don't care because I don't care if it gets wrecked. So I got this front entrance table. I don't like the color because it's like brown. Me and my sister are gonna spray paint it white. So let's go. Okay, update, I got most of it done for like the first layer, and then I have 2 bottles of the second layer. If you're wondering what I'm using, I'm just using this. It's from Walmart. I have 2 of these paint press primers, so I'll do 2 more layers. I used the entire primer bottle. Like, this is empty now, and I didn't even finish it all. There's some leakage and stuff. I don't know if you can see it. I feel like it'll be fine with the second primer or whatever. So I'm gonna come back in an hour, do another coat, try to even things out, and then if needed, I'll do a 3rd layer. With the second coat I'll do in an hour, I will try to even out. But I got spray paint in my hair, and now it feels crusty, and also all over my camera and phone. That's cool. But I'll check in with you guys when I do the second coat. Bye. Okay guys, I'm back and ready to do the second coat. It's been like an hour. I don't think it feels dry. It's not wet or anything. I'm so cold. If you look at the clouds, it's like really cloudy and I'm really worried it's gonna rain. So I'm trying to get this done as quick as possible. I'm gonna attempt to vlog this, so here we go. Update guys, it started dribbling, which means I'm pretty sure it's about to like rain. Like, I'll show you. Only like a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Like, it's only dribbling a little bit. So we moved it from outside to the garage, and I'm probably gonna have to finish tomorrow, which kind of sucks because tomorrow I get the keys. I'm exhausted. I will talk to you guys in a bit when I come back. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Bye. Hey guys, and it is like a few days later. So I am in my new place. I'm not gonna show you guys like really anything, but I just wanted to pop in and show you guys the finished table. So it's over here. Get ready. It is so cute. So this is like the finished table. It's completely white. It is so pretty. Oh my god. I just have that there for now. It's actually supposed to go here, and then I just haven't decided where I want it exactly. But yeah, this is it. It took quite a bit of work, but I'm happy it's done. I'm pretty happy with the result. And yeah, that's basically it. I just want to end this video and make sure to subscribe because my next vlog after this one will be an empty house tour. So you'll get to see this entire empty house tour video. So make sure to subscribe and look out because next Friday after this video, so a week after this video is posted, I will be posting the empty house tour. So make sure to subscribe and turn on my notifications so that you can see that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. The house is amazing. I'm so excited for you guys to see it, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!